Welcome back, guys. Today we're gonna see how to overclock your CPU. Firstly, you need to use a third-party tool like HWM Monitor, Core Temp, or Open Hardware Monitor to check your CPU temp. Safe temperature before overclocking under 65 Celsius idle. Now press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape to open Task Manager. Check CPU usage on the Performance tab. Now restart your PC and keep pressing Escape, F2 or Delete depending on your motherboard to enter your BIOS. Look for a tab labeled OC, AI Tweaker, Performance or Overclocking. Now locate the base clock or BCLC frequency. Set it to auto to allow the system to revert safety if instability occurs. Now find CPU ratio, CPU multiplier, and slowly decrease the value from 36 to 40 for example. Don't double it instantly. Max safe multiplier depends on your CPU model. For many Intel or AMD CPUs, 20 or 45 is typical. Now locate the CPU core voltage and set it manually to around 1.25 V to 1.30 maximum. Always increase in small steps and test for stability. Finally, save BIOS settings and reboot. Run stress tests using Prime 95, ADA64, or Cinebench. Monitor temperature and instability under load, and if system crashes or overheats, revert to BIOS and reduce settings. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.